Want to be ready for ACT game day? Then you'll want to know this strategy. Believe your eyes. In this question number 28, we're told that we have a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle with diameter of 18. What is the perimeter of the hexagon? So if we want the perimeter, recall that perimeter is all the way around the edge of an object. We are given that the diameter is 18, which means from here to here would be half of that, or 9. By believing your eyes, it appears that that and that are equal, and they are even mathematically. So we're going to see that all of those sides are 9, and then the perimeter is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6 times 9 is 54. Let's take a look at this next one, number 17. We're given that we have an isosceles triangle and the congruent legs are 10 each, and the perimeter is 32. Remember, perimeter is once again all the way around. What is the length of the altitude? So where the question mark is, that's what they want. Perimeter being all the way around, and if it's 32, then take the whole thing, subtract off the 2 sides that you know, and that gives me 12 for this right here. Well, it appears by eyesight to be split in half, which makes them each be 6, and the mathematics backs that up. So if we want to know the length of this using our eyesight, we might recall that the hypotenuse is the longest side of any triangle, so therefore this could not be 10, but even with your eyes you can tell that it's shorter than 10, so that's not my answer. Now, this altitude, or this question mark, is definitely by eyesight longer than 6, so it can't be 6, and it's actually a good bit longer than 6. Well, the square root of 44 is 6.6 if you put that in on your calculator, and we said this is definitely a good bit more than 6, so it's not 6.6 and it's not 7. The logical answer is 8. Now, if we wanted to actually work this out, we would use the Pythagorean theorem, and because the Pythagorean theorem is on the ACT so much, I think it worthy of going ahead and talking about it. If I was going to use the Pythagorean theorem, I would say a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So 6 squared plus b squared is equal to 10 squared. Subtract your 6 squared over and get 64. Take the square root and you still get 8. To see ACT math tests worked out problem by problem, other strategy videos, or just ACT topic videos, go to Math with Mrs. Seeley on YouTube. See you next time.